Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get traffic updates on Waze, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go back and see the exact steps. So when you open the app, you should see this home screen. Then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on the settings. Now click on the general. Now click on the trip suggestions and you can see the get traffic updates option. So it means that you will get notified about traffic delays and road closures connected to trip suggestions. So you can select this option, you can turn this on, but if you would like, you can turn this off as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.